Oh, he over there handling his business. Let me get the camera off of him. Mystique, come on. Mystique. She just had her second set of shots. 3 months. Should be 4 months on the 21st of this month. Should be 4 months on the 21st. Razor Edge and Kobe. American Bully, Razor Edge and Kobe. Her name is Mystique. She has like baby blue, aqua blue eyes or some shit. Eyes are pretty. And of course, the big man, that's 2-year-old Red Bear. He's like 2-year-old. He's like let me see now. 2 in a month, almost 2 in 2 months. He hasn't fully matured yet. That's a big good looking dude there. Old Red Bear. He's Razor Edge, Danger Zone, and Camelot. American Bully, Razor Edge, Danger Zone, Camelot. American Bully, Kobe and Razor Edge. I'm surprised they get along because he a miss. I never raised him around another dog before. He did way better than I thought he would. Now that's his girl. I gotta buy him another collar today. That collar, he's done with that one. Gotta get a bigger one. As you see, they got a big old backyard to run around in. What's up, dude?